You go outside? Go outside? Okay, let's go. It's nice considering it was raining this morning, boo-boo. Okay, guys. Where you going? Oh, boo-boo. I'm gonna sit over here. You going over there? Where are you? Sun's in my face, I can't see you. You're telling what I'm filming. I think it's the ground. But hey, this is on my phone. Artistic. I'm gonna blind y'all with science. Woo! Or the sunshine. My new color. Sally Hansen. Can you see them? Sunshine. Sally Hansen Air. Blue, 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 blue. Can't wait for my Avon order to come tomorrow. I have some wild colors. Sitting on the diving board. Harris is eating grass. Not time to open the pool yet. Boing, boing, boing. Go out in the front yard? There you go. Hope there's nothing over there. They'll go running after a cat. Look at the bluebirds, Paris. They're chasing each other. The two males were fighting. You going? I need to learn how to have a steady hand while I'm walking. I hope you're not pooping.